Alright, so if you want to grow on YouTube Shorts but don't know editing, animation, or voice recording, yeah, AI makes it super easy now. With Dola AI, you can create full short videos using just text and a few clicks. So in 2026, let's go step by step and build one. First, pick a simple idea like tips, facts, or motivation. Now open Dola AI and go to the video creation tool. Choose the 9:16 vertical format for shorts. Add a short script or idea and keep it under 60 seconds if needed. Generate a script using AI. Choose a fast-paced or engaging video style. Select a clear and energetic AI voice. Click Generate and let Dola AI create your video. Add captions and background music. Finally, export and upload your video as a YouTube short. So yeah, that's how to create YouTube Shorts using Dola AI in 2026. Fast, simple, and perfect for content creators.